Today's shenanigans. Cannot leave anything unattended, guys, because they get into everything. So, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to get into the... Don't try to... Don't change the topic. You're trying to get into... Milo, don't change the topic. You're trying to get into the gummies? It's not for you. Not for Milo. No. No. No, Milo. What did I say? No. Do you understand no? Attitude? Are you giving me attitude? Milo? I said no. Hi, baby. Chickies? You can't have gummies, baby. No gummies for Milo, okay? No gummies. No gummies for my baby. See, he's not a fighter. Look at my finger. He doesn't really want to bite me, unless he's annoyed. Otherwise, he'll move his beak away. Pretty good like that. Milo. Hello. See, unless I'm annoying him. But look at the difference. Just if I do it like this, he won't. But if I do it like this, he gets angry. They go over his head. But see, he's not really wanting to. He's like, don't make me, Mom. Don't make me bite you, Mom. Don't, please. I don't want to bite you. Can I get a kiss? This takes time to build this kind of trust. I don't recommend doing this if your bird is aggressive, obviously. But... And now there's one packet of the gummies I kept on the counter right there, and he just flew from the couch over here because he's probably spotted it. So let's see what he's gonna do. He's pretending like he's not looking at that packet, but he's gonna move slowly over. Watch. I know him so well. No? He's going back to this bag. She'll be surprising. See what he does. He spots the bag. See? Oh. Now it's like, will he maneuver his way there? Or... Who are you talking to? He's such an actor. What are you looking at, Milo? Hi. Hi, Milo teeny. Hi, my sweet potato. Milo. What's he doing? Why? No one's sleepy. Nobody's sleepy, Milo. Nobody is sleepy.